Are your Taskade projects not syncing across your devices? Whether changes aren't appearing, tasks aren't updating, or your workspace seems out of date, there are several ways to troubleshoot synchronization problems. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Taskade sync issues in 2026. First, make sure all of your devices are connected to a stable internet connection. Taskade relies on cloud syncing, so changes won't update properly if your connection is unstable or offline. If you're using Taskade in a browser, refresh the page. If you're using the desktop or mobile app, completely close the app and open it again. This often forces a fresh synchronization. Next, confirm that you're signed in with the same Taskade account on every device. Syncing won't work correctly if different accounts are being used. Now check for updates to the Taskade app or your web browser. Using the latest version helps prevent compatibility issues and ensures you have the newest sync improvements. If syncing still isn't working, clear your browser cache or the app cache if your device supports it. If necessary, uninstall and reinstall the Taskade app to replace any damaged files. Finally, check whether Taskade is experiencing a temporary service outage. If everything appears to be running normally and syncing still fails, contact Taskade support with details about the problem and the devices you're using. And that's how to fix Taskade sync issues in 2026. In most cases, checking your connection, confirming you're using the correct account, updating the app, and refreshing your workspace will restore normal syncing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.